Several witnesses helped to flag down police this morning after a motorcycle crash. This was right around 2:45 this morning on southbound I-65 near the South Split, and you can see those people there. State police tell us that several passers-by saw the motorcycle rider hit a pole and crash. Those people stopped and waved to emergency responders to help direct them in. At last check, ISP says the rider had serious injuries, but they do believe he'll survive. The crash is under investigation.